Hello, it is Jen. This week's tutorial is just a core exercise. You're going to come onto your hands and your knees. You're going to flex the toes towards your knees. And the first thing I want you to do is see if your tailbone is free. So you can move your tailbone a few times and just notice where it is in relation to everything else. Once it feels like your tailbone is free, which is not this wouldn't be free. This would be like dumping into the low back. It's also not this, right? It's just free. I can move it. I have room to move it one way or the other. Once you have that, you're going to float your knees off the ground. Now from here, you're going to lift the right heel of the palm off the ground and then the left heel of the palm off the ground. And maybe you even come onto your fingertips. As you do that, you might notice that your weight is shifting quite a lot. See what happens where you have to put weight in your feet so that your weight is shifting less. The other thing to note is if you feel like your eyes are looking straight down and your head is hanging straight down, imagine that the front of the throat is long. So I'm not doing this, which is pretty much what I was doing actually. I am more here. You can certainly do it with your head hanging, but I suspect it'll feel a little bit better, maybe not, with your head and neck a little longer. So give that a try, see how it goes. Again, if you missed the intro, I am Jen. And as always, if you found this interesting or useful, please, please, please like, share, or subscribe. Thank you so much.